What if I told you Google has a powerful and completely free AI video generator? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Google AI Studio to create stunning videos from text and images. Let's get started. First, you will need a Google account. As we will be using Google's AI video generation tool, make sure you are signed in. Now that you are ready, simply enter Google AI Studio into the search bar. You will see the official website as the first result. Just click that link to be taken straight to the platform's homepage. Let's take a quick look around. Up in the top right corner, you will find your profile picture with the option to switch accounts and, of course, the Sign Out button. And right next to that is the settings icon, where you can choose between light and dark modes. Now, let's dive into creating our AI video. From the menu on the left, select Generate Media. This is where you can access Google's powerful AI tools like image, speech, and video generation. For this tutorial, we will focus on Google Veo, their cutting-edge video model. Once you click on Veo, you will land on this page with a prompt box right in the center, where we can input our creative ideas. The more detailed your description, the better. A clear, vivid prompt helps the AI understand exactly what you're imagining, so you will get results that match your expectations. To begin, click inside the prompt box. A pop-up titled Allow Drive Access will appear. This is to allow Google to save your generated videos to your Google Drive. Hit Allow Access to continue. Now you're all set to create. To get the best results, think like a filmmaker. Your prompt is the blueprint for your AI-generated video. Structure is everything, so break your idea into clear sections. Subject: who or what is the focus? Action: what's happening? Environment: where is it taking place? Style: set the mood and fine-tune the visuals. Here's your final prompt. So, let's put Google AI Studio to the test. Can it actually understand and pull off what we want? But before we create the video, let's quickly tweak the settings to make sure we get the best possible result. On the right, you will see the Run Settings panel. First is Video Model Selection. Right now, Veo 2 is the only option, but keep an eye out for Google's Veo 3 and upcoming updates. Then is the number of results. You can choose to generate 1 or 2 videos per run. Under Aspect Ratio, you can choose between portrait or landscape. And video duration lets you pick from 5 to 8 seconds. Frame rate is locked at 24 FPS, and resolution is fixed to 720p. The Coming Soon label means higher resolutions like 1080p will be added soon. The negative prompt is where you can tell the AI what not to include. For example, if you don't want text and animals in your video, just type them here. Once everything is set, click the Run button, and in just a few moments, your video will be generated. Click this button to download the video, and here is the output. Just look at the realism of the video. It feels like a scene straight out of a movie. Now, let's add another character to our prompt. A young apprentice bursts through the open doorway, panting, his face lit by the last hues of twilight. The camera whips to follow him as he rushes forward, clutching a scroll. And here's the result. Notice how perfectly consistent everything is. Even the environment stays true throughout. What's really impressive is that small details like the hammer remain identical and correctly positioned in the right hand, even though I never specifically mentioned this in my prompt. Let's create something whimsical. How about a charming kids animation? Here's the prompt I'm using. An animated close-up of a tiny mouse with oversized round glasses, intently reading a small book beneath a mushroom. It's perfect for a cozy, storybook-style feel. I'm keeping the settings the same as before and just hitting Run. It only takes a moment, but if you have already used up your daily quota, you may see this message. The solution is simple: wait for a day and start generating again. Or you may use your other Gmail accounts if you're in a hurry. I tried it again after waiting a couple of hours, and here's what we got. The result has that storybook charm, just like a kid's animation film. And you can easily change the scene or the character's action by simply tweaking the prompt. So far, we have explored text to video. Now, let's level up with image to video and turn our AI-generated images into stunning animations. Right beside the Run button, you will see an option to add images. Click it, and a pop-up will let you choose an image from Google Drive, your computer, or even capture one using your camera. I'm going to select Upload Image and choose this picture. Once uploaded, You will see its thumbnail appear in the prompt box. Now, just describe how you want the image to animate. Think of it like directing a scene. I will enter this prompt and hit run. Here's the result. The AI did a great job interpreting the prompt. With a few tweaks, you can make your character take on just about any action you imagine. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. Next, you may watch these videos on AI filmmaking.